Hello, hi, how are you doing today? Teresha Young here, relationship master coach, and I am back with another real relationship talk tip. I hope that you have been taking diamond-dazzling care of yourself and other people since last time that we connected. So for this week's real relationship talk tip, I would like to talk about how to unstuck yourself. Now, many conversations that I have with people, including my coaching clients, is a sense that people feel stuck. They feel stuck in their situation. They feel stuck in their relationship. They feel stuck in their career. They feel stuck in where they are in terms of their health. So many reasons, finances, that they just feel stuck in. And to be truthful, we are never really stuck. Sometimes feeling stuck is just an entrapment of the mind, really. Sometimes we might even feel physically stuck where we are, but we're not trees. We can move, right? So ways to unstuck yourself is what I like to refer to with my Diamond-Dazzling Ds. Because sometimes it might just be a case of having a mindset shift. It could be actually making a change to your physical environment. It might be actually moving jobs. It might be moving homes. It might be changing the dynamics of that relationship. It might actually be leaving that relationship. So, in order to help you to feel unstuck, and what I do with my coaching clients is to use the Diamond-Dazzling Ds. Now, these are 3 steps that each start with the letter D, okay? So the first step is deliberate awareness. Become deliberately aware of your thoughts, your beliefs, your feelings, and your actions. Become deliberately aware of your current situation and your circumstance. The second D is decision. Decide to do something about it. Now, something that might actually help you to come to a decision is to do a SWOT analysis. Now, a SWOT analysis is what is often used in business, and it stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. Look at your current situation and your thoughts and your belief system and say, so what are the strengths of having this? What are the weaknesses? What are the opportunities? What are the threats? Now, if you find that there are loads that you have put into the weaknesses or the threats categories of that SWOT analysis, it's time to do something about it. And that is the third D. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do something about it. Find ways to move yourself to a better situation. Find ways to move yourself to a healthier mindset. It might be doing a bit of personal development. It might be reaching out for help or support. It might be taking better care of yourself, either physically, emotionally, mentally. It could be making actual physical changes to your circumstance, like I mentioned before. It may be if you're feeling stuck in your relationship, do something about it. Maybe you need to do a bit of coaching, relationship coaching, or counselling. Maybe you need to have a conversation with your significant other. Or it could be a family member. It could be a professional relationship that is quite challenging for you. Find ways to do something about it. And the most important thing, what I'm trying to get at, is that you have to find ways to empower yourself, okay? Use the 3 steps of the Diamond-Dazzling Ds, and for this, Diamond-Dazzling Ds, to actually move yourself to a better place, because you're not actually stuck, really. If you choose to own your situation and to take charge of it, then you'll find that you are in a better place. And it may take some time, but the best thing that you can do is to be deliberately aware, make a decision, and do it. Do something about it. Because as Tony Robbins is known for saying, it's in your moments of decision that your destiny is shaped. I hope that you have found that real relationship talk tip useful and you have identified with it. Let me know how you get on with it. And until next time that we connect, do take great diamond-dazzling care of yourself and other people. And I'm sending you so much love. Take care.